Okay, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Fanboy93449. We are back with another video. We are checking out on the cryptocurrency, guys. We are trying to figure out where it is Bitcoin heading just right now. Just right now. Guys, what I need us to look at it is that if let me get the highlights right over here. Get the highlight there. Okay, guys, if we can like take this trend right over here and compare with it over here. Let's move into a weekly time frame. Into a weekly time frame, you will see a clear triangle that is being formed right over here. It's like that, and then this go back in 2022 and look at the similarities. You will see like where I highlighted in 2022 it did like the very same thing that it is doing just right now. It started by forming the triangle and it broke to the outside. And then a lot of people they were thinking like, no, we are back. We are making money. We are moving to the upside. And then boom, the market like pause there. And then if you can look this market structure, it's like last time I did told you guys this is a head and shoulders. Head and shoulders. We got the last shoulder, we got the head right over here, which is higher than that, and then it what it did right over here, we got that shoulder and then the head. What we left with is another shoulder. So Bitcoin it in the next coming week it can really push to the upside. You know why I'm saying that? It is because of the Bitcoin. And then it's kind of like this still it repeat itself. So what the heck? Okay, I gotta delete this. Okay, guys. So we can really see Bitcoin push up and see to maybe $2.11 trillion market cap. Uh, because it's trying to like get that momentum of going down. So we what we call it is a bull trap. Goddamn shit. What I did. Okay, let me try to remove these kind of things that are confusing me. Okay, as you see guys, in the daily time frame, the next following week Bitcoin, it can rally to the upside. So expect Bitcoin to rally to the upside up until to this level here. It can be 3.17 trillion dollars coming in into Bitcoin because it can be a bull trap. They trapping people inside the market, thinking that the market is moving to the upwards direction. So, uh, what I can expect last week, if you can go into my video, I was analyzing Bitcoin, and then I took up my the page right over here and show you that Bitcoin is either going to broke this horizontal channel, and then retrace, which is now, if we can go to the 4 hour time frame, we can see exactly what I was talking about. We can see exactly what I was talking about. You see right over here, Bitcoin broke this horizontal uh, zone, which was acting like a resistance. Now it kind of like it's retracing this zone. And as for today, what you can expect for Bitcoin through the weekend, if you don't watch the chart of Bitcoin, you don't know what happened on weekend. But let me tell you, on weekends, nothing serious happening. Bitcoin is consolidating, not making any high. But the thing is that we can push up and see there, as we see, and then we can like we can get that. We can get that vibe, guys. If you are looking for a sell position, right now is not to attack the market. Most especially if you are a trader of Bitcoin, is not a good time to attack the market with a sell. Now you gotta wait. Now every trade that you took, it should be a long position going to the upside, because guys, if you go against the analysis, the chance of you losing your money is more than when you are going with the market flow. Just right now it's kind to retrace this level, and then we continue to move to the upside. And then after the upside, maybe is where we're going to start and look at most of altcoins. Is where we are going to look the altcoins, guys. That's it. So as for today, 16 January, we are looking on Bitcoin to push even up from starting from next week. Is what you should expect. Is what you should expect, guys. On the 4 hour time frame is showing you clearly what I was talking about. I know a lot of people, they think like, this guy, where he's coming from. Like guys have been on the cryptocurrency when the 2022 crash or bear markets happened there. I was in crypto, but I was not making any video. I was busy distracted by the DeFi. Now I started to see where money is. Money is not in the DeFi. Money is in the knowledge how better you start the chart. So even though guys, let me pull my Bollinger Bands over here. According to the Bollinger Band, you will see like guys. Let's go to the daily time frame. The daily time frame. You will see that we have broken our moving average to the upside, and then we have come and retraced the zone of the moving average, and then now it means we should push even up further, because if you can go to the 4 hour time frame, it's going to show you that our market is approaching our moving average in the middle, which is our resistance. Maybe on the weekend we will see Bitcoin touching the moving average. It means now we are successfully tested our zone, which is our resistance zone right over here, and then we can move to the upside. So is that what you should be careful of in the next coming week if you are going to be trading Bitcoin? But let's look at the bigger picture of that. Maybe the market is going to retrace the $2.17 trillion, and then it started to move back. But we don't know. Whatever the market is going to give us is what we are going to trade. Remember, if it's going to up maybe to broke this level right over here and maybe hit 2.20 trillion dollars, is that where we are going to start? Maybe Bitcoin, we were wrong. Bitcoin now it have that momentum of moving to the upside. So but because let's go to the weekly time frame and look at what the Bollinger Band it is saying right over here. Okay, guys. According into our Bollinger Band, you will see that Bitcoin has broken our moving average to the downside. Now, which is we are looking for Bitcoin to retrace this level, the $2.17 trillion market cap, and then before we have deflation. Even the moving average it confirms that.